Thank you.
Next, let's hear an inspirational speech from Azad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning. Today, I am here to speak a few words on pollution. Pollution is a major problem that our world is facing now. Humans exploit harmful nature, degrading minds and endless needs. It is caused a lot of destruction on Mother Earth. Pollution can be divided into water, air, soil, and land pollution. As children, it's our duty to find a solution to this problem. Let us use paper, cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Do not waste any of the resources. Plant more seeds and trees for better air, and so on. If we work for it, we can surely make a change. Let's all contribute and join hands together. Thank you. Do you know what is the theme of this month? It's agriculture and trade. So, in order to present the theme, I would like to call Aida and Aisha Zaiba. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. About agriculture. Our country India is the world's largest user of many fresh fruits, vegetables and vegetables. India is the second largest producer of wheat and rice. Well, about Indian dairy. Indian Dairy Company mainly focuses on the export and import of agricultural goods like grains, oil, cashew, coffee, and tea. Thank you. Thank you. Next comes Animal Group with an action song. And we go into the bay. We go where we go and what we do. We are resting God alone. We will fly through the storm. Nothing is a bossy, but we will rise through the storm. Nothing but a living and will be high. We will fly, we will fly, we will fly up, up, and we go into the bay. We go where we go and what we do. We are resting God alone. We will fly through the storm. Nothing is a bossy, but we will rise through the storm. Nothing but a living and will be high. We will fly, we will fly, we will fly. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Next comes special program that is to know amazing facts about few animals by Agran Group. Myself, myself kangaroo. I like to live in Australia. I cannot walk backward. I used to carry my baby in my pouch. Thank you. I am a tiger, the biggest one of the cat family. Do you know I am a good swimmer also. I can swim up to 6 kilometers round. I am an elephant, the large of the world. I am 70 years old, 5. I am deaf. a president of India, second Dalit man and first up to oversee Rashtra Bhavan. Arpan Doshi, an Indian organic doctor, is all set to become UK's young self-physician to start work at hospital in England. Thank you. I would like to call our class teacher Selina ma'am to speak a few words.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. And good morning to you all. How are you? Okay, today I would like to talk something related to food. Okay? Okay, tell me, how many of you bring food from home for a breakfast? Yes. Now, how many of you have it from your school canteen? Yes. Now tell me, how many of you have your food fully without leaving any portion of the food on your plate or in your tiffin box? Every day, not for 1 or 2 days, every day. How many of you do like that? Yeah, only few students. Give them a very good applause. Yes. See children, last week I visited mostly all of the classes from grade 1 to 3. And you know, I feel so sad to see nearly 50% of children have waste their food daily. Either they throw it in the dustbin or take it back to their home. And of course, it will be spoiled and your mother throw it in the dustbin. Right? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Now let me know, how many times a day do you have food? How many times a day do you have food? Only 3? Only 4? 5. Minimum 5 or 6 times a day. Right? Yes. Now I'm going to show you some pictures. Just go through it. Okay? Can you see that? Can you see that? How was it? How was it? Nice? Okay, children, see what they are doing. In the first picture, you can see a boy has food from camels. He is depending on camel's dung for his food. You know what do you mean by camel's dung? Excretion, pee, waste of camel. He don't get food. That's why he depends on camel's dung. And in another picture, you can see lot of children. They waste and they pick it from the dustbin. They pick that food from the dustbin. And other children are begged to get that food. Right? How do you feel? Very bad. Right? And we people, they are struggling to get at least a meal for a week. And we people, we are having 5 or 6 times a day and waste lot of food daily. Right? Do you feel that it is sad? Is that right? Yes or no? No. So what you have to do? What you have to do? Don't waste food. If you can't do it, you can't have that. but don't waste your food. And not only that, my dear children, you know who is our role model? Who is our role model? Who is, as a Muslim, who you have to follow? Allah? No. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You should follow Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You know what he told about this? Do you know? He told that we don't know in which portion Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showered his blessings. It might be in the food that we throw it in the dustbin. Right? So what we actually do? We throw the dustbin in the dustbin. Yeah, we are doing like that. By throwing the food in the dustbin, we are throwing Allah's blessing in the dustbin. You don't want Allah's blessing? Yeah, we all need Allah's blessing. So what we have to do? Don't waste food. Don't waste food. If you want to waste food, think about the children. Those who are feeding cows down. Think about the children. Those who are searching for the food in the dustbin. Think about the children. Those who beg for their food. Okay. Those who struggle to get their food. So my dear children, don't waste food. From today onwards, let's take an oath. Don't waste food and save it for those who need it. Okay? Yes, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Next, I would like to call our Vice Principal, Hafsa ma'am, to render a short speech.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's a wonderful assembly, right? Yes. How was the assembly? How was the presentation, Lord? Super, wonderful, right? Did a good applause for them? Very good. Excellent. And we got many new information, right? Huh? Can you say anything? Okay, don't waste food. About pollution, very good. Then anything else from both sides? Did you get any information from this assembly? No? One more, that those who wore masks, about animals, yeah, not only jungle. Yes. Then forest. Some information about some wild animals, right? Like tiger. Then what was? Elephant. Yes. Okay. Then kangaroo is one special thing. Special. Okay, kangaroo. What did you say? Yeah, kangaroo cannot walk backward, right? Yeah, we always walk like this, and we can walk like this also, but kangaroo cannot. Okay? Then what else? Very good song, Islamic song about your mother. Was very nice, right? Are you all obeying your mother? First you will obey your father, then your mother, right? You should obey both of them, but as mother is doing more towards her children, we should obey first our mother. Okay? First our mother. Okay? Thank you, children. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakumullah khair. The class teacher also, it was very nice and very organized. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Next, it's time to call our beloved principal, Abbas sir. Sir, please.
Assalamualaikum. For a time being, you can sit. Okay, thank you. I'm so happy to stand over here. I could see that the second A has shown an example or sample of assembly in a very wonderful way. Each and every program I could see it was clearly planned and organized. Very clearly, each, even the movement itself, how to come, how to go, wonderfully planned. Each and everything, and children, I couldn't see any confusion at all. So let's give a big round of applause once again for the children presenting a beautiful assembly over here. And one of them, we all know that such a very organized, planned assembly was trained by who? Trained by who? Class teacher. I'm sure that the class teacher might have taken much pain, strain, and struggle to make the assembly in a most beautiful way. Who is the class teacher? Give a big round of applause to your And assembly, everything was great. But I would like to appreciate this girl. What's her name? Aswa, right? Yeah, give a big round of applause. I could see that you are during her presentation of anchoring, she shows her smart work much. And each one's presentation extremely well. And also from audience, I like one girl's presentations. Yes, the third one from the back. Yes. I liked her presentation during the assembly. You know what's her presentation? Please come. What's that? Yes, come. Name? Sumaya. Sumaya was the best performance from your side. You know what was her performance? She was not saying it. She was very responsive. For if anyone says Assalamu alaikum, she says even no one just saying wa alaikum assalam. She says hello wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I was so happy to give a big round of applause for us. Today she is the winner from me and today they are the winner from the classrooms. That's all. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.